Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today we're diving into the philosophy of Stoicism to explore 3 things women value more than wealth. Let's get started. Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy, emphasizes wisdom, virtue, and tranquility. It teaches us to focus on what truly matters in life, beyond material wealth. Today, we'll see how this philosophy aligns with what many women value deeply. Stoicism has been practiced by influential figures like Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius. Their teachings continue to resonate, offering timeless wisdom for modern life. The first value is personal growth and wisdom. Stoicism teaches us that true fulfillment comes from within and is achieved through continuous self-improvement and learning. Women often prioritize personal development over material wealth. The pursuit of wisdom, self-awareness, and emotional intelligence leads to a richer, more meaningful life. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most renowned Stoic philosophers, once said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This reflects the Stoic belief in the importance of inner growth. Journaling is a practice encouraged by Stoics to cultivate self-awareness and clarity of thought. Many women find that taking time to reflect helps them grow both personally and professionally. Another Stoic philosopher, Epictetus, taught that it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. This highlights the significance of our responses to life's challenges and the growth that comes from overcoming them. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful tools for personal growth. They help us stay present, reduce stress, and develop a deeper understanding of ourselves. So, personal growth and wisdom are highly valued because they lead to lasting fulfillment and resilience, qualities that transcend material wealth. The second value is relationships and connection. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of our bonds with others, recognizing that meaningful relationships are central to our happiness. Building strong connections with family, friends, and the community is often more valuable than accumulating wealth. These relationships provide support, joy, and a sense of belonging. Seneca once said, "We are born for cooperation, as are the feet, the hands, the eyelids, and the upper and lower rows of teeth." This highlights the Stoic view that we are inherently social beings. Volunteering and participating in community events are ways women foster connections and contribute to the greater good. These activities not only build relationships, but also create a sense of purpose. According to Stoicism, true happiness is found in the quality of our relationships. Investing time and energy in nurturing these connections leads to a more fulfilling life. Support groups and networking events offer opportunities for women to connect, share experiences, and support one another. These bonds are invaluable and often outweigh material wealth. The third value is purpose and contribution. According to Stoicism, living a life of purpose, contributing to something greater than ourselves, is essential for true fulfillment. Many women find immense value in contributing to their communities, pursuing their passions, and making a positive impact on the world. Epictetus said, "First say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do." This quote inspires us to align our actions with our higher purpose. Pursuing a passion or a meaningful career can be incredibly fulfilling. It's about doing what you love and contributing to society in a way that aligns with your values. Purpose and contribution go hand in hand. When we contribute to causes we care about, we not only help others, but also find a deeper sense of meaning in our own lives. Whether it's advocating for social justice, protecting the environment, or supporting education, these purposeful actions create a ripple effect of positive change. So, there you have it. 3 things women value more than wealth, according to Stoicism: personal growth and wisdom, relationships and connection, and purpose and contribution. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on living a meaningful life. Comment below and let us know what you value most in life. Until next time, stay inspired